Hi everyone, it's Vicky here, and I thought it would be fun to make a face-to-face video. This is something that I don't normally do. And you can probably see my untidy craft room, but I thought it would be fun to show you today the actual projects that I will be teaching on the crafting tour that we are doing this October. Now, I'm doing this class with Farrel Tailor, my Stamperia colleague, amazing artist. I absolutely love everything she does. I have already posted all the info about this cruise, and if you want, you can join us. It's going to be super fun. 6 classes in total during the cruise, and if you haven't seen anything about it, you will find the link down below where you can see all the details and you can book if you like. I am going to switch to my desktop camera now so you can see the projects. And again, remember, down below in the description you will find everything you need to know. So really quickly, I'm going to go through the project. So this is one of the projects that we are making, and inside you can see I have the other project. So I made sure that what we are doing on the cruise is not going to create too much bulk for you. You will be able to store it easily, take it out with you. So let me take out everything from here and show you what we will be making. The first project that we are going to do there is going to be a traveler's journal. I thought it would be fun to make something like that, because after all, you will be able to fill it in with all the memories from our cruise. So we are going to make this traveler's journal from scratch using my secret diary collection. Lots of techniques here. You will be making your very own traveler's journal, which is going to be decorated. I will give you even more supplies to decorate each and every page, and you can make it you can personalize it as much as you like. So for example, you have even more pages inside. You end up with pockets at the end as well as in the beginning. You can store stuff and ephemera and memorabilia from the cruise. And then finally there is an elastic band at the end where you can use. Then we are going to make an art journal page, but I'll leave that for the end. Then we are going to do the album cover. This is an album cover with elastics. We are going to decorate it front and back, and we are going to add the ribbons. I will show you how you can do all these effects that I have here. A really fun mixed media class. And I also made sure that this is not bulky at all, so you can easily put it inside your luggage with no issues at all. And then the third project that we are doing is an art journal, a double-page art journal on my A5 mixed media journal book. And that's what we are doing. Lots of techniques packed here. You will be able to use many techniques, and I will show you how you can make beautiful backgrounds that you can recreate again and again with different color combinations. So these are the 3 projects: the art journal, the traveler's notebook, and everything fits inside the organizer. So I hope you will join. If you haven't done so already, you will find all the links down below. If you have any questions, let me know, but you will find the link of Rose. You need to send an email to Rose for any queries that you have, as well as for all the details of the cruise. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye!